Good morning, students. Today's revision portion, estimation and Roman numerals. First topic, estimation. Rounded of the given number. Rounded of the given number to nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. The given number is 29013,894. How to read this number? 2 crore 90 lakhs 13,894. Okay, rounded off this number into nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, first one, rounded this number into nearest 10. Okay, can rounded this number into nearest 10. Rounded off to nearest tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay. Rounded off the number to first nearest tens. Nearest tens. First you write down the number. What is the number? 2 crore 90 lakhs 13,894. Okay. Here tens place value. What is the tens place value? First one, ones, tens, 9. Okay, so first you can put one box. Tens place value 9. Next you can check that digit to the ones place. Okay, nearest the digit ones place 4. Check that one. This 4 is less than 5. Okay, equal to 5 or greater than 5. Then we want to add 1, but here this one is less than 5, so write the tens place number as it is. Okay, here this is the tens place value 9, tens place value 9. Then you can checking that ones place digit, here ones place value 4, 4 is less than 5, 4 is less than 5, so you write down the number as it is. Okay, so what's the answer? 2 crore 90 lakhs 13,890. Okay, here the tens place after how many digits you have? Only one digit. That digit for you put 1 to 0. Okay, then next one, 100 place. Can rounded off this number into 100, nearest 100. First you write down the number 2 crore 90 lakhs 13,894. Then here the 100 place value ones, tens, 100. Okay, 8. 100 place value, what's the 100 place value? 8. Then you can check the nearest digit. Here the nearest digit, tens place digits. What's the number? 9. The number 9. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So, we add 1 in the which place? 100 place. Okay, which place you got 100? You can round it off this number to 100. So you add 1 to 100 place. Okay, first you write down the number 29013. Then remaining 2 place values are here 100 place after 2 digit. That 2 digit for you write one to 0. Okay, 20. How many digits you have? 2 digits. So you write one 20. Then here this one is 9 is greater than 5. So add 1. Okay, add 1. 100 place you add 1. 100 place you add 1. Okay, so 1 here, then 0, 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 3, 1, 0, 9, 2. Okay, what's the answer? Rounded off nearest to 100, 2 crore 90 lakhs 13,900. Okay, this is rounded off nearest 100. Next we can round it off this number to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000. 2, write down the number 94. Here, what's the 1000 place value? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 3. What's the value? 3. Okay. Then, next we can check that nearest digit, 100 place. Okay. Here the 100 place value, 8. 8 is greater than 5. Okay, it is greater than 5. So, here 1000 place value, we want to add 1. Okay, first you write down the number. Then remaining 1000 place after how many digits you have here? 3 digit. That 3 digit for you write down 0. Okay, 3 0. First you write down the number 29013. Then remaining place 0 0 0. Okay, then here. Then greater than 5. So here you will write it, add 1. 1000 place near, add 1. So 0 0 0. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, 3 plus 1 4 1. 0 9 2. Okay, what's the answer? 2 crore 90 lakhs 14,000. 14,000. This is the nearest 1000 place value. Okay, then next we can round out this number into nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. First you write down the number 29013,894. Then 10,000 place value 1. Okay, 10,000 place value 1. Next here nearest value 10,000 nearest value 1000 place value is 3. 3 is 3 is less than 5. Okay, 3 is less than 5. So write down the number, the 10,000 place as it is, you write down the number. So 2901. Then 10,000 place after how many digits you have here? 4 digits. So you write down 4 0. Okay, so nearest 10,000 value 2 crore 90 lakhs 10,000. Okay, did you understand? Did you understand this question? Okay, students, then practicing one question, that is 4 Homework question. Okay, this is the homework question. Rounded off the given number to nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. 4 crore, 82 lakhs, 73,156. Okay, can you do this one? The same model, you can change this number rounded to nearest tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, the next topic, Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Then first one, Roman numerals and symbols. Okay, already you learned Roman numerals. This is the important one. Okay, Roman numerals. Roman numerals. This one is Roman numeral. Symbols. Okay, symbols. Next one, value. Okay, first one, the Roman numeral symbol I for 1. Okay, V 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. Okay, Roman numeral symbols I for 1, B for 5, X for 10, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay, this is the important one, Roman numeral for, you know the symbols and values, then only problem do for easy. Okay, first you learn this one. Okay, then match the following. Match the following using the values and match this one. Okay, match the following. First one, CC XCI. 824 DCCC XXIV 725 3XLV 143 4 CXLIII 291 5 DXL 45 6 DCC XXV 540. Okay, match this one. First one, C for what's the value? C for 100, C for 100. Then X for 10, C for 100, I for 1. Okay, then here, see here 100, the left side value is 10, smaller value, so you will subtract this one. Here first one, 100 plus the next one, 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 plus 1. So 100 plus 100, 200. 200, 100 minus 10, 90 plus 1. So what's the answer? 291. So C, C, X, C, I. For what's the answer? 291. 291. This is the answer. Okay. C, C, X, C, I for what's the value? 291. 291. The next one, second one. D, C, C, D for 500. D for 500. C for 100. Next C 100. 100. X for 10. 10. I for 1. V for 5. So here 500 plus 100. 500 plus 100. 600. 600 plus 100. 700. 700 plus 100. 800. 800 plus 10. 810. 810 plus 10. 820. Here, see here, this one I for 1. Here V for 5. So we will subtract this one. Okay, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So 820 plus 4. 820 plus 4 is equal to what's the answer? 824. Okay. 824. The next one. X for 10. L for 50. V for 5. See here. 50, 10. So you subtract this one. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 plus 5. Then 50 minus 10 equal to 40. 40 plus 5, 45. What's the answer? XVL for 45. Okay. The next one. CXLIII. C for 100. X for 10. L for 50. I for 1. I for 1. Okay. Then here 10, 50. So we subtract here 100 plus 50 minus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 100. 50 minus 10, 40. 100 plus 40, 140. 140 plus 1, 141. 141 plus 1, 142. 142 plus 1, 143. Okay, 143. What's the answer? 143. The next fifth one, DXL. D, what's the value for D? D is equal to 500. X is equal to 10. L is equal to 50. Okay. Then here also, this one is greater, this one is smaller. So we subtract here. 500 plus 50 minus 10. Then 500 plus 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. 500 plus 40 is equal to 540. DXL for 540. Okay. The next DCCXXV. D for 500. D for 500. C for 100. C for 100. X for 10. 10. Then V for 5. So here you will add it. 500 plus 100. 600. 600 plus 100. 700. 700 plus 10. 710. 710 plus 10. 720. 720 plus 5. 725. Did you understand this one? Using the Roman symbols and find out the values. Okay. Did you understand? Then homework question. You do this one. Okay. Homework. Convert write the given Roman numbers in into big numerals. Okay, first one LIV, next one XCIX, next one CIII, then next one DCVIII. Do this one. Okay, students. Thank you, students.